Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be talking about how to use the new Snapchat Spotlight feature. Snapchat made a new update that you can now post Snapchats to a spotlight, kind of like Instagram or TikTok or Vine or Musical.ly. So Snapchat is becoming the next TikTok. The only thing you do is make a video talking to yourself or whatever. Woo. Make a video talking to yourself, or let's mute them. You can add stickers to it, like woo stickers. The way you post it on Spotlight is just press send. There's a spotlight at the top that appears. Tap on that. You can now add hashtags like hashtag funny or hashtag 2020 or something. You can now add hashtags and then they get sent to the spotlight, and they can be also sent to the discover page. See, this is the spotlight.
I'm gonna be my boyfriend for the day, so
And on my spotlight, I got 54,227 views. People viewed my spotlight. So yeah, I guess Snapchat is the next TikTok. If TikTok dies, Snapchat is gonna be next. So yeah, follow me on Snapchat, and yeah, see you next video. Peace out.